This thing saved me thousands and thousands of dollars.
Thousands? Let's back up.
So a moisture meter is crucial in what we do. The moisture meter that we use is Orion 950. We just acquired some wood, which is African Babinga, and it already had a coating on it. And we were getting ready to sell these pieces, but come and see the moisture content in them. So I'm setting it to African Babinga, which is 74.74. And it's reading 32%. Now, if I were to sell this piece as is, because it looks finished, if I were to sell this piece, I would have been buying it back 2 years later because it would warp, it would move, the moisture is trying to escape. And so this thing saved me thousands and thousands of dollars just by seeing that number right there. I love the meter because it's accurate. This meter reads 4%. I know for sure that it's at 4%. Most other meters, anything under 6% is not accurate. I don't want to know where the surface moisture is. I want to get down far into the wood.
Don't let moisture compromise your work. Ensure perfection in every project and confidence in every job. Purchase your Orion Pinless Wood Moisture Meter today.